by its popping bright green buds designed with frosty trichomes that add some class to a truly unique strain. Where does it rank in our 420 system? It gets a 90 for its flawless appearance and taste, a 90 for its well-balanced effectiveness, and an 85 for its rarity. Its THC content isn't mind-blowing, but it earns a strong 85, and it gets a 10 on our dankness scale. That leaves Blue Dream with a total of 360. 5. Skittles. Number 5 on the list is Skittles. Just like the original Skittles, this strain has colorful buds of green, purple, and orange with sparkling trichomes. In terms of its origins, Skittles is shrouded in a bit of mystery. Most breeders will tell you that it's formed from a combination of grape ape and grapefruit strains, but there is a third strain that they'll never reveal. If you've ever tried Skittles, then you must have experienced its relaxing but uplifting feelings of happiness and stress relief. The best part is that Skittles would not make you fall asleep, so you can enjoy a great high with no downsides. Skittles is moderately available and has a THC concentration of around 15 to 20%, and for that, it gets an 80. We gave it a 90 for appearance and aroma, 90 for its genetics, and 90 for its great effects. However, it gets a 10 for dankness just because it's not as iconic as the top 4 strains on our list. Skittles gets a total of 360. If you've had Skittles, let us know how you'll rate this strain using our 420 system. 4. Gelato. Finishing at number 4 on our list is Gelato. Gelato was first hybridized in the San Francisco Bay Area and is a crossing of 2 California strains, the Sunset Sherbet and Thin Mint, both of which are hybrid strains of another special strain on our list. Can you guess which one it is? Share your thoughts in the comments. Gelato boasts a variety of aromas, with sweet, fruity, earthy, and even minty tones being the most prominent. The fruity scents often include hints of orange and blueberry, while the earthy tones can reveal traces of lavender and floral aromas. The gelato experience begins with a euphoric head rush, gradually transitioning into a deeper, full-body relaxation. This well-balanced high makes gelato an ideal choice for afternoon and early evening use. Many users also appreciate the focus and motivation it can provide. Whether you need to unwind after a stressful day or seek a euphoric experience, gelato is an excellent option. How does it rank in our 420 scale? For dankness, we gave this exotic bud a 15, and for appearance, its beautiful and authentic cannabis appearance earns it a 90. For effectiveness, it gets an 85, and for its strong and potent THC level ranging between 20 and 25%, we gave it another 85. Its hybrid parentage automatically makes it at least a 90. Gelato finishes with a 365. Will any strain reach that elusive but perfect 420? We have 3 more strains to go. 3. Wedding Cake.
Oh,
You may
no.
know this
Wedding
strain
cake
as
is
sweet
good, but it ain't
cookies or
gonna make
triangle
it.
mints, but the rest of us know this strain
What
as
is
wedding
going
cake.
on? Good
While
to
you
see
may
you.
know
How you
wedding
doing?
cake for its
Hopefully you're having a
trademark
nice
frosty
day.
buds
Appreciate
and
you hitting that
aroma,
like button.
its lineage is heavily debated. Many believe that the wedding cake is a
Which
cross
does you a
between
favor
Girl
by
Scout
keeping me
cookies
in
and
your
cherry pie
algorithm.
strains. Wedding
Because
cake
contrary
is
to what
actually
YouTubers say, the algorithm is about what people watch. It's not about what I post. It's about what you watch. If you want to see more of this in your algorithm, make sure you keep me in your algorithm. Shout out to your boy, because, hell, I'll make sure I keep you in mind. You dig? Let's see. Oh, yeah. I have to look at that profile pic later, because she kind of cute. Yeah, y'all know how we do. We talk to cuties, so it's all day. We have cute ladies all day, so y'all used to the wet plenties. Leave me alone. I am to be judged, so you see what I'm saying? You're judging me already.
formed by crossing triangle kush with animal mints. Its sweet and creamy flavor makes it a stoner favorite that can be enjoyed by both beginners and experienced connoisseurs. Wedding Cake is a sativa indica hybrid, and it delivers the effects of its mixed origins simultaneously. The sativa half of the wedding cake increases your awareness, while the indica half will put you into a relaxed, calm, and euphoric state. Wedding cake can...
Y'all already know, it was like a week or two ago, we had a discussion about the benefits and side effects that are commonly known with the strain wedding cake. If you didn't watch the video, it's my job to promote myself. So therefore, I'm going to tell you to go back and get a couple videos in the playlist and run it back, right? Because you need to know why that's so beneficial. Shout out to wedding cake, because it's on that list of things we was talking about that day. And it came up again in this one. So, hopefully it gets closer to 420 rating, because like you said, ain't nothing hit the mark. And if we ain't telling you how to keep it 420, what are we doing?
increase your appetite.